I mean, it's messy.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's fragile.
We're gonna make it a pin cushion back here. A little hair mushroom cloud. Someone nuked the top of your head.
Welcome back to my attempt to be a beautiful lady. Attempt number 65. There's a place where beauty meets ease, and that's where we want to get to today. You feel me?
I feel you, homie.
Do you want to be a part of the bun fun?
I mean, I did so good with French braids. Yeah.
First, allow me to show off what I can do, because I can't do much, and I would like to take advantage of this rare opportunity to show off. Watcha! Watcha! It's like the most basic bun you can do.
That's a bun?
That's a bun!
Oh, okay.
Are you not inspired?
I am inspired. That I know how to give you at least one.
Bragging rights part 2. This is another one I can do. Like, oh no! And then you grab the pony and you just pull it. And then it makes a little hair floof on top, like a little flower in a vase.
Oh, watch out.
Hang on, I could do better. There. Is that better?
Yes. It's still cute. It's still cute, but it's like a little bush in the back.
I can also do the side bun. Huh? I was lying. I can't do a side bun. I assumed my skills would be transferable from the back to the side.
You just do a ton of little buns all over your head.
Have you ever seen that style anywhere?
Well, maybe you're the first.
Okay, I'm not even gonna finish that one. I lied, I can't do side stuff. Okay, here's the first one. See how bouncy and beautiful her hair looks just naturally down? It looks better than mine's looked all year. I don't think she's a good match for me.
Those are fancy looking.
Yeah, she got the fancy ponytails. I just got these ones. I just got these ponytails.
Yeah, hers are all flat. Yours are all
overstretched. I hope that your skills are transferable, little guy.
No. What the?
Oh! So much is happening.
Yeah, she's just like twisting her hair up in like an absolute mess.
A beautiful mess. I have no idea how she did that. I'm gonna need you to frequently pause it every time she makes a big important movement with her hands.
Okay. When she started, she pulled it off on her thumb and then twisted what was left of the hair.
What?
With the...
What?
And then she went with
over?
What she had over there.
Roar.
And she...
Whoop. Whoop. Whoop.
Did you do it?
I don't think so.
Let me see.
I don't think I did it.
Let me
no!
See. Let me see!
No!
Let me see! Kind of did it. I mean...
Hers
it's
looks
a
like
bun.
Hers looks like a flower.
Yeah, hers looks like a little hair butt.
Twisted.
Yeah, you grab the others.
With the hair.
And then, yeah, you twist that around. I mean, it's messy. Now let's take this. Oh my god. She went like this.
Oh.
God. She went like this. And then she went like this. She twisted the other bit.
Oh, there's so much more pain when you do it.
Sorry, I'm trying to get it to where it makes sense to me. Oh my. Oh, I thought I had it. Thought I had it for a second. Yeah, I'm prepared for daughters. No, I'm not. Okay, no.
This says easiest. She's lying.
I think I friggin' did it.
You did it?
I think so. It's more of a bun than what you got. Oh.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's fragile.
I'm kind of sort of proud of it.
Hello.
I mean, you can see where it's messed up right over here. Don't turn that way. There you go.
Ta-da.
There you go. Here, just stuff that up the bun hole.
Oh, no.
We're just gonna put that right up there.
What the hell?
Hair lump.
Is it a pretty hair lump?
It's a pretty hair lump.
Easy, messy bun. It's a messy bun, and she pulls her hair and it's smooth, so she has to do little messy tufts. We can skip that part. It's not gonna come out smooth. Oh my god, look at that! She's amazing!
Just shove that right into its own hole.
I'm gonna skip that last step because that was a lot. I really just want to do, like, even just doing the first step would be nice. She gives a little fling, fling. And then I think like this?
Yep. Halfway through.
Okay.
Take the stuff that's hanging underneath.
Stuff?
Yeah.
Take the stuff.
The stuff. And go over. And tuck it. into...
Bobby! I need Bobby! Where's Bobby?
I'm intimidated, but what do I do? Just...
If anything moves, just stab it. Stab anything that moves.
Yep. Damn. Oh, God. Did I get you? We're going to make it a pincushion back here because you got one annoying strand that really wants out. There we go. Hey. It's kind of like, because of your layers, it all wants to like go off to this side a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Stab some more?
Yeah, stab some more. Hey.
Hey.
That's not half bad.
I mean, this doesn't feel right.
It doesn't feel right. It might be all the 20 bobby pins I had to stick in there.
But it does feel like it's staying put better.
Someone wanted like sass in her haircut that I gave her.
Yeah.
And I gave you a lot of layers for sass.
You gave me a lot of sass layers.
Yeah.
Does it help or hinder?
No, it helps. It's like a paintbrush back there.
That's not...
It's like a sexy paintbrush, okay? Here you go.
Oh.
You have a whole layer that didn't want to be a part of this.
It is like a paintbrush. I'm a tool. I'm a paintbrush.
Let me pick through your hair like a monkey. There's no Bobby in there.
No Bobby?
Oh, she already looks like she's like torturing herself doing this.
Her hair is so long.
Dead plant.
Like a fan.
Deader plant.
No, it's like a fan on top. Oh, she's just stuffing it. You're right.
You do not have enough to...
Don't you tell me what I have. It's all about believing in yourself. No!
the way up here.
Don't touch it! Don't make fun of me! I love how hers is like this big, beautiful monolith, and mine's like, wah wah.
The baby peacock. It's really fun to play with, actually. There is no excess.
What?
You can't do shit with that.
A little bit can go a long way.
That's what he said. It looks like a little hair mushroom cloud. Someone nuked the top of your head. Call me Pebbles.
No, I hate that show. Wow. That was really impressive. Are you not impressed?
I am impressed.
That's...
That was like very clean
Yeah.
looking. She twisted it around and then did it again. Yeah, just violently stuff it.
That's my new technique. Just violently stuff it.
Hey! That's a bun. Right there.
No, it's
leave
not.
Leave it the way it is. Yeah, that's a bun. Got a bun hole.
Help me.
Let me give it a swirl whirl. That's my attempt.
Ugh.
It was bad. It's not bad. It's not what the video shows, but that's because you don't have enough hair.
It's never gonna be what the video shows. She's going nice and slow for me. Oh, she's in Bobby hands.
Oh, Bobby.
Watch my hair do the flip. Woo! Woo!
There you go. Hey.
Step one.
That looks pretty good.
Yay!
You did it. You dang old did it.
I dangled this step one.
Grew and then pulled it out the
side?
opposite side. Yeah.
How?
So you're... Okay.
What?
So pull it out. There you go. There you are.
I got
Boom.
one?
Yeah.
They got caught on something.
On itself.
Oh no!
That's okay. You're trying to hide it in there. I'm going to twist your hair first.
Oh, that's a genius idea.
Like a little rope.
Yeah. Shoving the rope.
Shoving the rope in the bun hole.
Okay.
And then... Nope. It's all coming out.
What?
Yeah, you
No.
started... Oh!
Ta-da! We got it.
Ta-da!
We got half of it done.
Halfway done. Whoa, living on a bun. Hold on. I want to just do every angle.
Yeah, just reinforce the shit out of that.
Move your cute little hand. Y'all.
Don't let her get away this time.
Damn, that's a bun.
We did it?
Papa.
Yeah, I can go hands-free.
Let me show you.
It looks as good as it's gonna get. I feel like we tackled something together. You know, we had a common enemy, my hair, and we took it down and we made it our bitch. Do you remember when I would do my niece's hair and it was like a nice, fun, quiet, peaceful morning process?
Uh-huh.
They would just come up to me and be like, Auntie, I want Elsa braids.
Made me look like Elsa.
Made me look like Elsa. And I would just be like, okay. And just be like such a nice bonding activity between aunt and niece. But somehow when I do it for myself, it's just this angry, bitter, messy process.
There's like a fancy baker got to it.
Fancy baker?
Yeah. It's buns. She got one of them super stretchy scrunchies.
Yeah.
She went slow for you.
Yeah, I really appreciate that she's going slow-mo. Finally, somebody who understands my competency level.
Oh my god, that just disappeared.
She's magic.
And then pulls it over and then loops her hand. Okay, you got it?
Uh-huh.
She pulls everything through except for that tiny little nugget right there. And
I did it.
you did.
I did it!
You still got the little sass marks, but
I know, I got sass marks
no,
everywhere.
no.
Try that again.
Yeah, do it again.
So she allowed me to demonstrate
Demonstrate.
this never before seen hair bun extraordinaire.
Hair bun extraordinaire.
So you start low.
Very low. And then twist that around.
Shove it.
Shove it. All of it.
Did I do it?
You did.
2 for 2?
2 for 2.
Can I see a picture?
You still have some sass, but you did it.
Oh, she's using a big clip. I don't have a big clip
Got
anymore.
a giant clip. Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's cool though, huh?
That clip just did a lot of the work for her. She's
Yeah.
cheating.
I can't find my big clip, so we have this one. It's more proportionate to the length of my hair anyway. Do all the work, little guy.
All right. And she went like this, and then went like that, and then no, quick. No, let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it.
That's not right.
I did it. Oh, it's still cute. Still sassy. That's a lot more durable than I thought it would be. You got all these cute, sassy little haircuts.
I can feel some of those layers that just are refusing to obey.
Yeah, as they do.
She like does this and then loops it around them and then does it again and then shoves it all against the scalp.
I mean, you did it.
That was so fast!
Hell. She already had it through a ponytail.
She's like rotating it aggressively.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Be really aggressive.
The fact that you have nothing to say says it all.
It's not what the video showed.
Wow, it never will be what the video showed. She pulls a little bit out, a little bit. Baby bun. Swing. And then twist this around by itself. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That doing something different?
I think it looks cute. Let me hit you with this.
You just... See her? She's like,
This isn't how I... What was that? She just kind of like slapped a fucking thing on her head.
It's a clip.
Oh, that was a clip? Okay, well, I guess you're doing a braid for yourself.
No! I can't! So the first half is like, you do this section off the top half.
Uh-huh.
That's why she used a clip so that it would stay still. But I got a boyfriend to just do the bottom half.
And you got a clip.
Ah, but I got a boyfriend.
Here.
No, I got a boyfriend.
Let me clip it so it's out of mouth. We're flippity
No, I
flipping
got a
away.
boyfriend. Excuse you, I have a boyfriend. He can do that.
I don't know how to start the braid. I just know how to braid the braid.
That's okay. It has more personality.
She shove it in her own ponytail hole.
Yeah, no, she shoves it. I think that this goes through the braid. What?
That's effing insane.
It'll work eventually. Ah! Ta-da.
Looks great, baby.
It looks beautiful.
It looks beautiful.
It looks beautiful.
You're beautiful. What are you gonna do?
I'm going rogue. I'm trying to see if I've learned anything from today's lessons. They grab their strands like they want to make it kind of playfully messy. I did it.
You're cute. Yeah, you did. They do this too. They're like, here, let me make my hair messier. Let me make all the bumps in my head.
Hey, look at you!
Yeah.
Hairstylist?
Hairist?
Honey, that actually added to it. I get why they do the bumps now. That actually added. You were trying to joke around, but now you're like, oh shit, I see it now. What it takes to be a real lady. Just gotta give her that little extra voluptuous lump. Did I go too far?
You went too far. What has science done?
You were supposed to see me like that.
Uh-huh.
Boing, 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 boing.
Boing, 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 boing.
This one feels like it's moving around a little bit more, like it might be not like a very secured package.
Women need a lot of help to not have getting ready take so much time. No way. They all went whoop, whoop, whoosh, 20 seconds.
I learned that I can't wait to cut my hair off so that I never have the hope of doing anything nice with my hair ever again.
For a few months.
Ever. Shh. Don't speak too loudly. You might scare it.
Hey, that looks good. You did good. Did you look at it?
Yeah, I thought.
You did good.
That's why I'm speaking quietly. Don't. No. Even the smallest sound waves might knock it over and make it spill out. Oh, no!
It's not a souffle. It's not a souffle. It's a bun. Stick to your baking.
Oh!
Yeah,
Is it good? Oh, this looks a little bit better.
Yeah.
Oh, no, no, no.
Got your little infinity sign over there. So you want a bun down there and a bun up here?
Yeah, I'm gonna balance it.
You look insane. Balance it.
This is uniquely me.
Yes, this is your uniqueness.
This is like a hairstyle from the future.
I love it. This, and then still have these down here.
Where do your eyes go first?
The tiny little bun.
The tiny one?
Tiny baby bun. Still the tiny baby bun.
Your eyes are just like ping, ping, ping. So much to take in and process. That's why you don't take me out anywhere anymore, because you're afraid of how I might dress up for you. Oh, everything's all backwards in my brain.
Yeah, I knew you'd start glitching.
Does this look like the face of somebody who's glitching? It's a little bit sticking out, I can see that.
Yeah.
Ignore that.
Are you a burger? Because you got buns.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
I'm so proud of you.
You look like you belong on the front of a early 2000s hip-hop album.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing, like a music video.
Yeah.
Yeah, they knew how to rock those styles that nobody wanted. Well, this is what happens when you don't have a bun tutorial in front of you and you just gotta go your own way. You don't know what you're doing. So thank you very much to all the people out there that make any kind of hair tutorials for me to take a quick peek at.
And disregard.
Yes. As you ladies can see, your work is very much needed in this world. Is it working? Oh! I wanna give you the full experience, so here's a little tug. There you go.
Just give me the full experience of having a bun. Bye! Please subscribe!